Hello students, today we will start word problem based on your second chapter. Okay, your first question is Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. A is 7.5 kilometer from B, the distance from A to B is 7.5 kilometer and B is 12.7 kilometer from C. So the distance from B to C is 12.7 kilometer. Next, Ayub went from place A to place D and from there to place C. First he went from A to D and then D to C. And the distance from A to D is 9.3 kilometer and distance from D to C is 11.8 kilometer. Who travelled more and by how much? So first of all we will calculate the distance covered by Dinesh. So what is the distance covered by Dinesh? AB plus BC. First he went from A to B and then B to C. What is the distance of AB? 7.5 kilometer. And what is the distance of BC? 12.7 kilometer. Already we have done addition. How to solve this? Okay, 12 plus here. 7 plus 5, 12. 2, carry 1. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, carry 1. So it will become 20.2 kilometer. So the distance covered by Dinesh is 20.2 kilometer. Okay. Now distance covered by Ayub. So Ayub first went from A to D and then D to C. What is distance of AD? 9.3 kilometer. And what is CD? 11.8 kilometer. Now add this. 8 plus 3, 11. Carry 1. 9, 10, 11. Again carry 1. So 21.1 kilometer. Okay, so this is the distance covered by Ayub. Now one more question is asked. Who travelled more and by how much? When you compare this, the distance covered by Dinesh is 20.2 kilometer and the distance covered by Ayub is 21. So 21.1 is greater than this. So who travelled more? Ayub travelled more and by how much? To find how much, we will find the difference between these two. We will subtract both the digits. Okay. So here I am showing the subtraction. Okay. Who travelled more and by how much? So 21.1 kilometer minus 20.2. Okay, take carry 1. So you will get 0.9. Okay, so final statement you will write Ayub travelled more by 0.9 kilometer. This is your final statement. Okay. Okay, now second question. How much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer? How much less? So simply here you have to do subtraction. 42.6 kilometer minus 28 kilometer. Okay, 6 minus 0, 6. Borrow 1, 12 minus 8, 4 and 3 minus 2, 1. So 40.6 kilometer is your answer. In this question only you have to do subtraction. Now find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. So here you have to use one formula. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So what is length given in question? 5.7 centimeter and breadth is given 3 centimeter. Okay. So here we will multiply and check. 5.7 multiplied by 3. 3 sevens are 21. Carry 2. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2, 70. Okay. Always remember one thing. This is 5.7 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter. When you multiply centimeter into centimeter, it will become centimeter square. So finally what you will write? 17.1 centimeter square. This is the proper answer. If you do not write this centimeter square, your answer will be considered as wrong answer. Okay. So this is multiplication and this is formula to find area of rectangle. Now last question. A vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? Here we will use unitary method. Okay. So here we will write statement 2.4 liters of petrol covers how much distance? 43.2 kilometer. Therefore 1 liter of petrol will cover equal to 43.2 divided by 2.4. Okay. So here I am dividing this divided by 2.4. When you remove this decimal, you will get 10 in denominator and 10 in numerator also. When you remove this point, that means 10 to 10 cut. Now 432 divided by 24. You can do simply cutting, reduce into simplest form. So I am reducing first by 2. 2 12s are 24. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and 2 6s are 12. Again I am reducing by 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 0 and 2 8s are 16. Now check if you can divide 108 by 6 whether it is divisible or not. 6 1s are 6, 10 minus 6 is 4, 48. 6 8s are 48. Yes, completely divisible. 6 1s are 6 and 6 8s are 48. So what is remaining at last? 18. So in 1 liter of petrol it will cover 18 kilometer. So 18 kilometer is your final answer. This is your final solution. Okay. So here what I have done? Here I have done cutting. I have done reduction, reduce into simplest form. Okay.